Hello everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier-than-hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good. And this is my stuff video of the stuff I carry with me. I don't carry all this stuff with me all the time, but I do carry it all the stuff some of the time and some of the stuff all the time. And none of the stuff, never. I got sweat on my glasses. It's hot. It's hot. I couldn't find a good place to film by my house, but I found this beautiful park nearby. Beautiful park. What is this, for playing chutes and ladders? I don't actually understand what's going on here. But anyway, it gets dark at night, I'll tell you that right now. I've got, I'll show you my stuff. This is how I carry it, and it's kind of what I got it boiled down to after several years of riding. I used to carry a lot more gear for just staying lit and being seen, but now that I have this wild device that I carry on my back, it's what's it called, something through the Atlas 360. I don't know, I'll put a thing in the thing for you guys if you're interested. I'll try to remember. So now I just carry the one thing and an extra set of batteries, so that is smooth mode. But that's not what I'm here to tell you about. I'm here to tell you about all this stuff. So what I do is I keep it modular. I keep some stuff in one pannier, other stuff in other panniers, and I'm able to grab it as needed. But I also need to carry some stuff all the time, and this trunk bag has proven to be a little hinky, a little wonky, a little weird. So if you don't have it full, it won't, the hook and loop won't, see, it doesn't reach real great. And if there's nothing behind it to stop it, it won't go, hey, so that's a problem. But if it's exactly as full as it wants to be, then it fits, the hook and loop fits right on there exactly. So I just keep everything that I carry with me all the time in here, and it's kind of, it just ended up being kind of perfect. So, let's see what we got in here, boys and girls, already. We've got 1,000 grit sandpaper. Don't ask me. I'm not sure. I must have had some reason for putting it in at the time. I've got, this is just a little patch kit. And then this is my tool kit, and I'll make another video about what's in my tool kit. There's some tire repair stuff, and then mostly any tool I'd need to fix the bike on the fly. I used to have until earlier today, I had a hand towel in these little loops, but I used it, so it's not in there. It's where I set it down last. I carry an entire 29-inch thorn buster tire in here. Entire tire. But I carry that in there because I figure if I'm going to change it on the fly, I don't want to have to put in like a temp. I don't know how they do it. So I just got big ass tire I carry with me all the time. And when the tire goes flat, I'll change it out. I haven't done it yet, so wish me luck when that happens. I have a little chain here. That it's a little, what do you call it, combination lock, and the combination is so that'll be safe when I close it up. Also carry I carry a little cutter for cutting the branches that get my face on the trail. Face branches, they're all blackberries now, get right in your face and scratch you. So I don't like blackberries. I cut them out. Cut them off the trail. Oh, look, there's that again. So keep that all in there, and I keep the cutter inside one of these leather gloves. I've always carried these. I carry these leather gloves for blackberry bushes, and in addition, I use them a lot actually on the bike. So see, they're used. You can see how much I've used them. So that all goes in there. And then my charger, this is what it was shipped to me in. So I keep the charger in here. I have to charge at work. So I keep the charger in here, and then I put it all in here. And then just this is how meticulous I am about the charger. When I wind the wire around the thing, I go this way. Because if I go this way, see, look how much it kinks. Don't kink your wires, people. Don't kink them. So I wind it this way, and then this one I wind this way, and then it all goes into this magic blue bag. And then it goes in here, and I'm not going to do all the winding. Oh my god, I can't like a dog with a bone trying to get it through a small. Okay, so all goes in here. Settle down now. And with that nice and tightly packed, I can roll this up, and the hook and loop goes exactly where it needs to go, and it pretty much stays put. This is falling off a couple times, but right now I've got it on there pretty tight. But look how close it comes to the end here, and then there is no room, literally no room. There's less than no room. I got to tuck it under the seat already. So I don't know. I don't know about that trunk bag, but as is, it works for what I need it to work for. Now, if I wanted to put this jacket in here, in addition, no, I couldn't. It wouldn't fit. It wouldn't think. Today, I actually looped it onto this because I was wearing shorts, so I didn't need my cuffs secured. So I looped it onto this, and that actually worked out okay. Okay, not great. Okay. Now there's stuff that I don't need to carry all the time. Rain gear. You know, the weather changes so much. It was cloudy an hour ago. I'm not even kidding you. It was overcast and cloudy an hour ago. Right before I started filming, I was like, I don't know if there's going to be enough light. Seriously. I was like, oh, I don't know if there'll be enough light for this. But then I don't know where all those clouds went. No idea. Don't care, really, tell you the truth. But you got to be prepared is the point to that rant. So I do carry rain gear. Most of the time I'll know ahead of time. Like up until like 3 days ago, I needed to carry it all the time because it could rain here in the Pacific Northwest. It can rain at any minute. So, and you can't depend on the internet to tell you because it changes its mind all the time. So rain gear, rain gloves, rain pants, rain jacket, all goes into the Pannier. I'll try not to keep saying it because I don't pronounce it correctly, and I don't believe I ever will. But Pannier goes on there if I need it. Otherwise, I don't take it with me if I don't need it. Duh. Now, what I do need is, and I usually carry this with me all the time, is my breathable shorts and my breathable shirt. And I usually have a short sleeve shirt, like something like this. Not this, because this isn't actually as breathable as I'd like it to be. But you know, a short sleeve shirt that I also carry in here because I like layers. I also like pockets, and not a lot of great pockets in here. Carry this, and then my little light device in here. That goes on one side, that goes on the other side. And you know, I alternate bringing them. A lot of times I need it all, man. I'm not even kidding. You know, the last 3 months I've needed the jacket and the rain gear for the morning, and then at night I needed the sunscreen and the you know, the breathable material. So also have this handlebar bag, and it works pretty well. I keep a lot of stuff in here, and this stuff I carry with me all the time. Phone. This is a map pocket, they call it. I don't know who uses maps anymore, but I keep my phone in there. I can't see it when I ride. So, whatever. And the reason I have it down so low is because it blocks my light if it's up higher. So, and I'm all about safety. Inside we've got this is my tobacco, and it's just tobacco and nothing. There's no you guys don't need to know about that anyway. So I carry one set of gloves in here. I usually carry one set of gloves on my hands and one set in here, but I'm doing a video now, so I just carry one set. Both sets happen to be in here. So there, and then I've got the dentist appointment, got cleaning on the 3rd. Okay, I also carry I've got a phone with a funky connector, so I carry my funky cable and then a regular micro USB cable for any other incidences. And this is just regular candy. It's just normal people candy. Anybody can just. I've got that weirdo device with the light on it that takes AAA's. So I have some AAA's in here. That I just keep them, they're rechargeable. I keep them charged, and then some toothpicks and a couple lighters, and then in this pouch is a little pad of paper and a pencil and a pen and a little eraser. It's kind of all miniaturized. And of course, I got my headphones and my coffee cup here. And then in lastly, so it's not lastly, actually, second to lastly, I got this top tube bag. And I just keep one thing in there because if you keep anything else in there, it pops open or it wiggles funny. So I just got my sunglasses. Just my sunglasses and my business card. And then what do we got here? We've got, oh, this is, I use this to wave. These people honk hi at me and I wave back at them. Hi you. Hi, thank you for honking. So that's my, call it my waving stick. And keep that right there. Keep my wallet in here because I'm always afraid it's going to fall out of my pocket. Let's keep my wallet here, and I got like a bag of quarters in here just in case, I don't know, I have to go through a toll booth. They don't even use quarters in toll booths anymore. I don't know what I'm talking about half the time, people. I don't know what's going on. So, and then over on this side, carry my SOG knife. Boop, there it is. And it's a nice little knife. It's like a Batman knife, but it's like a Clooney Batman, not like a, you know, not like a Bale Batman. Or I even take a Adam West Batman. But I like it. It's actually a handy little knife. It's supposed to be, what do you call it? Assist. But it's really hard to open. If you look at the videos on, everybody says, oh, it's really hard to open them and edit to the right. That's it. That's all the stuff. I've got my keys. I've got my little things. I just like things to flip and move so that I call attention to myself when I'm riding my bike. But that's it. You know, I don't carry all of it, but as needed, I can grab it all, fashion it, and pretty much take off pretty quick. I like this setup better than the other setup. I had another setup where the bags were kind of strapped to the bike, and I had to take stuff out, put stuff in, and kind of figure out what was in there. But this works out really well. I'm happy with it. So that's it. You guys can go home. Talk to your kids about the safeties of bike riding. Ride safe, be seen, have fun.